What does good leadership mean to you?
I try to lead by example, by which I mean I try to work harder than everyone else. I try to make sure I do a lot of the crap jobs. I try to make sure I take the risks for the rest of the team. So I try to make sure that I do my bit by fronting it. I have to take the reputational hit if it's rubbish. Yes. I get praise if it's really good. But people will come after me personally if they don't like it. If any targeted threats will come after me. So I got to be like brave and confident and front all that.
Sure.
So you sort of find out what it is that people expect of you and your role, and you really lean into it and really do it well, and not be panicking and worried. So you sort of got to have a bit of an air of calm and confidence. I'll tell you one thing, that the leader I always looked up to when I was maybe in a more conventional organisation, I worked for a think tank, was this woman called Julia Margot, who was my boss. I'd be really nervous about something. I'd be thinking that it's going to be a damp squib, or the funder's going to be unhappy. And she would always say, "I will deal with that." She took all the bad, horrible bits of the job off my plate. And then you'd go over the trenches. You'd be in the trenches with her because you knew that she would always support you.
Yeah.
And so I worked doubly hard. I always wanted to make sure she was happy. And the other thing that she did that I've taken as well is at 5 o'clock, she'd be like, "See you later, everybody. I've got 3 kids. I don't care about this job as much as my kids, so I'm leaving. I'll deal with the rest tomorrow."
Brilliant. Yeah.
Like, amazing. There's other things in her life that are more important than this job. And she will walk out the door and know that. You've got to have other priorities in your life.